Module number T11, dating. What happens after you got in contact with an awesome human being and you are curious to discover more about her? Curiosity is a great trigger for settling up a date. And a date, the perfect timing for letting your curiosity ramble and explore her great juiciness. Dating is a great way of discovering if you are a good fit or you need to continue exploring others. The fact that you already have it set in the calendar is an achievement itself, which should be celebrated. She likes your approach and she wants more. And of course, as a man, our heart skips beats as soon she looks in our direction. A funny thing we usually don't consider is that when you are set to go out to meet somebody for the first date, there is an army of curious friends, family, co-workers, hell, and even the hairdresser who made her Brazilian look great again. And yes, women are also nervous and they prepare a lot, waiting for the juicy details, hoping for a fairy tale story like when you are Prince Charming for and they live happily ever after. Just like we also want to brag to our buddies about what an amazing date we had. So it is your job to make this date memorable and brag worthy. I recommend to be active and actually have a couple of things to do. For example, you start off with a walk in the park, then have a coffee somewhere at your favorite place, game of darts or billiard, instead of only having dinner or a movie. Dating is an experience that should feel like an adventure, so keep surprises coming. Historically, men, we were the image of adventure, the explorers of the world and bringing new knowledge into our villages, leaving their girls to grasp in awe at the overwhelming pushing boundaries of imagination and reality, truly blowing their minds. And guess what? We can still do this, even though a little different than Marco Polo and Da Vinci did in their times. Women like sexy times too, they just need a bit more rational explanation to it than men, with a story that they can tell to themselves and all the curious friends. Now they feel comfortable having a reason for why they decided to lay in bed with you and not just because she's a slutty bee. Going from flower to flower, but because they had a great time with a guy and he genuinely enjoyed their company. Showing this is making an effort to keep surprising them, make them feel special and desired, and went the extra mile with the simple things. Being in love is a choice. Soak in happiness and enjoy the moment. This was module number 11. See you in the next one.